All right, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and we are ready to put on another trade. And as usual, we'll take a look at our account first. But before I do that, let me just show you something that I've been working on yesterday and I shared in a Discord already. But this is going to be a subject of our mastermind session on Friday. I've been extrapolating all of the data from different deltas, the win rate, and all other kinds of things. So we're going to try to find the most optimal delta that for our strategy. And we already have a good idea of what that might be, but we want to fine tune it, and we're going to then test it under different VIX environments. And this is just a start. I just thought I'd share this because this is going to be subject tomorrow. So I hope to see you there. And now let's go back to our account. And let's first fill this up real quick and take a look at the VIX, which is 1358. That guy is not moving. It just likes to stay down under. So 62 and 22, 62 and 22. And the buying power is, just a second here. Let's see. All right, so it's 9.9. As you know, we don't use these 15 here. That's for the bill. We can always sell that quickly and gain the buying power back. So 9.9 is what we are using for the strategy, which is on a low side, and that's always good. I forgot to check the, well, let's use the same number here. All right, so all of our metrics are in line. Last time on Tuesday, we placed MES trade with 5 naked puts, and then we did a 125 wide put debit spread in MES. And we're playing around with different ideas because with our account size, we can do few different things. We could put one ES if we want to, but in order to trade a little bit more frequently, we'll do either 5 or 3 MESs, and we'll go back to ES soon. But for right now, maybe we'll do another MES, and we can probably do another 5. But let's see what we can get in that. So if we go to, where is it? Let's see. MES, and then we go to trade. So we have a 92 days DT. That's very good. We'll do that, and we'll go to around 10, 11, 12 delta, somewhere in that neighborhood. Let's see if there is anything that looks better than the other. The open interest is pretty much the same in all of them, basically none. So let's see here, 24, we can get $120 on 46.50, and that's at 11 delta. So let's see if we go a little bit higher, 25.75, we could do that as well. But let's just maybe go here, and let's go 5 of them. And let's see if we can collect this. We might have to dial back a little bit. And let's just go to activity. And replace. Now, if we have to go more than a quarter down, then we'll just move up a strike, but no, we don't have to. So we got 23.75. Now remember the rule of thumb: if we spend the same amount on a single PDS, that will give us around 20%. So we should stay under 23.75. And given that we collected 23.75, let's see how much is that. 23.75 times 5, so that's roughly $120. So if you remember, we wanted to get the width somewhere in the neighborhood of what we collected. So we're looking for either 125 or 100 in width, but let's see if we can get 125. We could go to 78, no issues there, or we could go with 92. I think 78 DT is a little bit busy here, so we might be better off if we just go here. We may have to lower the delta slightly to get there, but let's start at 5025 and go to here. So this is a little bit too high. We could do 100 probably, and that would look pretty good at 34 delta, spending 23 and change for doing that. Or maybe if we go down a little bit, maybe we can do this as well. But I think last time we just overspent slightly, so maybe we can just underspend slightly here and stay at 100. And let's just see if we can get this without upping the price, but I think we'll have to go up a little bit. Please, we'll go up a quarter, see if we can get this done. And yes, we can. And we're ready to record this. And that'll be it in a second here. So 49, we're doing the MES. And this is today. The strike was, let's just double check, make sure that 4650. 4650. And this was in 92 days. And we got 2375 on five of them. So that's a total of 594 is what we collected. And then on PDS, we go here with the 50. It was MES. Today's date. And I think we did 5025, 5025, and then 4925, and we did it in the same expiration. So we got, and we paid 2325, so minus 2325. We did one of those, boom, and done. Something is, I think they did something wrong in here. What did I do wrong here? Why is it 500? Or maybe I did something wrong in here. Let me see. What did I do? 4925. So we did 100. So the one that we did last time, 4875. That's what's wrong. 4875. Okay. So I recorded the last one wrongly. So we got this and we got this. So yeah, that's fine. That's around, we are collecting in the neighborhood of the, we're paying for enough width to cover about the same amount as we are collecting. So between these two, you see here 1125. And if we go to naked puts, we got here a little bit 1150, so right around that. So let's take a look at the main page, and we haven't looked into this these metrics here in a while. So let's take a look, see what's going on. Trailing cost premium, this is over the last 30 days. As you can see here, we are spending 20%. So we are on target here. As a matter of fact, we are a little bit under by $25, so that's fine. We currently have 42.81 in open premium, and remember, this open premium is important because that's a measure of how much we have at the risk, because we are getting out at 2 times this. So that would be right here. Full book wipe loss would be at 94 without any, before any protection, and that represents around 14% of our net lick. And then we have 10,500 in open value, PDS value. Now we would collect a portion of that in case of book wipe or a major pullback. So whatever we would, you know, if you collect half of this, that would bring this down to 4,000 or 5,000. If you collect more, it would bring it even further down. And notional exposure is pretty nice at 6x. And if we go back now and check the buying power, we'll see that that should have gone up a little bit. So we are at 13.1. Let's record all of that. We are at 13.1, and then our theta and delta and theta should change 85 and 32, 85 and 32. And that brings us, these are the percentages. So delta is at 0.13, theta 0.005, and buying power is 13.10. So metrics are all in line. Our weekly target premium is around 1,200 in order to keep with our CAGR goal. And we have around $88 in weekly hedge budget, which we'll be doing tomorrow. So we'll try and roll the two semi hedges that we have right here. So that's it. Any questions, guys? All right. If not, I will see you all tomorrow for our mastermind session. And in the meantime, have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye.